Hi, everybody. Welcome back to your rundown of everything happening in blockchain and crypto today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. Quick shout out for what we're about to go through today. If you want to hear any more, we'll be on VCTV in just a few minutes, breaking some of this down with investors. Also, check out LATOKEN.com to see all of the moments and some of the other news discussed today as well. Big shout out to the team at LATOKEN, along with Maria and Hasmek, for making today's episode possible. So let's get into it. First and foremost, Mark Cuban continue to make waves in the space, who has today announced his investment in Mintable, the community-controlled NFT marketplace. Woo! Mark Cuban continuing to make waves, seeing that blockchain and the cryptocurrency industries are somewhere of focus for him and his companies as well. Next up, Square. Jack Dorsey and JayZ recently partnered to donate almost 500 Bitcoins for the focus of developments around blockchain and digital currencies in India and Africa. Turns out the two are at it again. Square, Jack Dorsey's digital payment company, is acquiring a majority ownership stake in the music streaming service Tidal, which JayZ is an owner of, and JayZ will now be joining the board of Square. The deal is expected to be a mix of cash and stock, somewhere right around the 300 million number. Next up, we have talked endlessly about the future of social media, whether it be fundraising or whether it just be the networks and the platforms themselves. Well, we've got big news that EOS creator Dan Lemaire has revealed his latest project on the blockchain, which is called Clarion. It is supposed to be very similar to Voice, and that is focused on decentralized networking, enabling people to communicate without relying on trusted third parties. Ripple is back in the news. Some very interesting development from the company, and that is that they are piloting a new private ledger tailored specifically for central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. This new solution is focused on higher throughput, scalability, and interoperability as well. Pardon me. Interesting to see how that goes with Hedera, Hashgraph, and many others also entering the space, along with Visa and MasterCard playing a significant role, more particularly MasterCard, who's already been working with a number of central bank digital currencies, and JP Morgan, along with their Link platform, already doing this. So we'll see how Ripple plays into this future as well. Another big upgrade, the IOTA protocol is continuing to upgrade as they pivot towards implementing smart contracts with alpha releases earlier today of that smart contracts protocol, or ISCP as well. And speaking of Hedera, Hashgraph, some big news. The protocol, the layer 1, continues to add bigger and bigger corporate names from around the world, helping to build out not only their governance council, but also their node structure. And most recently today, we got announcements that French utility giant, apologies in advance, Electric de France, has joined the governance council as a node operator. They are one of the top 5 global utility firms and represents the first on the council in this industry, helping to push Hedera along with the industry towards achieving carbon neutrality by 2050. With that, that is the quick rundown of what's happening today. I know it's a short few things, but there's much more to come later today. I guarantee it. Just continue to stay on the pulse. Check us out at latoken.com/moments. Also, you can find me on VCTV along with the entire crew and our VCTV family of investors here in just a few minutes on this same channel. Blockchain and Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. We'll be back, and check me out at Kyle Ellicott on all social medias. Take care, everybody.